Welcome back. We are putting the finishing touches on our butterfly pork chops and vegetable medley this morning. I'm excited to try this. It just smells delicious.
It's also beautiful.
Yes, it is.
So we've sauteed our vegetables, the corn, zucchini, squash, onions, red peppers, green peppers.
Thank you to Martinez Produce for
Oh,
providing
yes.
us a box of veggies to make this with
These
today.
veggies this week, their vegetables always look good, but this week the vegetables were just above and beyond.
Yeah.
They were so gorgeous. And then we're going to place our pork chop right onto our plate.
Beautiful.
And the pork chops are done very simply, just season, dredging a little bit of flour into a hot cast iron skillet. The flour will give you a little bit of a crust and a crunch with the seasoning underneath, so you'll have it all the way through. And I've married the seasonings between the two together so that your flavors come through all the way across. We don't want to have contrasting tastes
Everything in there.
that don't complement each other.
True. All right, here goes.
Let's see how you think.
No, surprise hot spice today.
No, I'm taking it easy for you because I have something in the future planned to take care of that.
That's really good.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. This is, for me, this is a nice little comfort food. This is something you can throw together on Friday night, Thursday night, when you have just a few extra minutes to do a little bit of prep work, but it's a classic meal that you can enjoy all summer long.
And how hot were we cooking it on, medium-high heat?
Medium
or-
high.
And for about 10 minutes is what?
About 10 minutes until your vegetables are the color that you want. I ran these so that my zucchini and my squash had a nice golden brown to them. The corn has a little golden brown to it, and the flavors run all the way through. The key to it is not to put too much oil or butter into the bottom of your pan so that you don't burn the oil and butter.
Right, and the pork chops,
Done all the way through.
yeah, they're done, but they're still juicy. Yeah.
Coating it with a little bit of that breading, or with a little bit of the flour helps seal some of that in there for you so you don't lose it.
And that's always my concern when you're cooking with something that's as thin as this. How do you keep from drying it out?
Put a barrier in between. If I have something that's thin, I'll always bread it.
There you go.
So, and you can take this a step further. And after one coating of the flour, a little bit of egg and water, whisk together, and then take it straight into some panko, and then a little bit more flour in your pan, or a little bit more oil in your pan, and lay it right in there and get that nice, beautiful, crispy crust with a nice big crunch on it.
Well, this was definitely delicious.
Well, good. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
As we teased it, our succulent vegetables, or decadent, I think that's the word we use, pork chop. It was good. It was great. I loved it. You can watch these segments again on our website later this morning, KOAMnewsnow.com. Thank you so much for coming in. It's in a couple weeks, I think we're going to get into grilling season possibly.
Yes, it is.
So that'll be exciting. All right, we will be right back.